Hello everybody, how are we all? I'm just on my way to the tip. I'll take some timber down off my old fence in the back garden. And then I'm going for, because I really fancy a bacon and egg and black pudding sandwich. So I'm going to a snack van. Because the one that I haven't been to before. So I thought, well, I'll take you with me to the tip. And then we're going to get a snack van, guys. I'm absolutely gagging for some black pudding. I don't know why, I just am. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm nearly at the tip now, a couple of minutes, well, 30 seconds. You have to get a pass now for the tip, for a little van or any any trailer. You know, 12 visits a year or something. I don't know. So it's open Wednesday to Saturday, I think. It might be open Sunday as well, I'm not sure. But anyway, let's get the tip. Get rid of all this wood. Which one's wood, mate? Which one's wood? On the other side, mate. On the other side we go. That's that done. Oh, well, I know. There was a van for, actually, to be honest with you. Right, snack van. Sun's come out now, it's sweating. Put a hoodie on because I said it was going to rain. Probably about 18, 19 degrees out there. What is it, 17? Yeah, this snack van's just up here on the right hand side, I think. Well, it used to be a few years ago, so. Yeah, bacon, egg, black pudding and brown sauce, guys. That's what we want. And that's what I need. The cabin, there we go. The good old cabin. That's what it's called. I'm going to turn around anyway, I think. Facing the other way when I come back. Is it here? Where's it gone? Oh no, there it is. Yeah, I'll turn around. Actually, we'll park behind this lorry here. In front of behind this lorry here. That'll be a dose bonus. That will do, I reckon. I've got a bench there as well. Oh, it'd be a little bit wet on that bench, wouldn't it? Right, food time. Hello, sweetheart. Can I have, I need, please, if you can help it. Can I have bacon, egg and black pudding, please, with brown sauce, darling, please. Crispy black bacon, baby, if you can, please, sweetheart. And a cup of tea, please. Sugar? 2 sugars, please. Busy or?
It's a bit quiet today because I was meant to be in hospital.
Oh, was you? Oh, so bless.
I've spent a week telling all the customers
not to come.
Do not come next Wednesday. I'm in hospital.
What happened? I cancelled the appointment or something on you, did I?
Yeah, it's tomorrow at 3, which is actually better.
Yeah, there you go. So at least you can really do a day then, can't you? Yeah. Well, you Irish? Sounds Irish. Yeah. Yeah, I've just been to the tip to empty some junk from my garden. Oh, right, you know. Right.
I love a good tip.
It's great, isn't it? I've got one more to do, but you know.
You know when you go down and you've got the full car?
Yeah.
And you're driving out.
You feel how come you always, because I had a skip last year, because I had loads of junk in the loft and that. Yeah. And how come you always end up with more junk the year after? And we've got loads of junk left, all in our sheds and everything. It's mad, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely crazy. I'm quite enjoying the piece. I'm quite enjoying the piece. I've still had quite a few regulars who forgot.
Yeah.
And when they've come, I'm like,
what are you doing? Yeah.
All good.
All good though, ain't it, Baba, I suppose, eh?
It certainly is.
How long have you had this one? Because this has been here years itself, hasn't it?
Well, there's always been a van.
Yeah.
How'd you like your egg?
Runny, please. Oh,
So
that's handy for you, isn't it?
I've always known there's a van here, and then I've thought,
Should I or shouldn't I? Yeah.
oh, look, no,
That's it, yeah.
well, I don't do just eat or anything like that. 'Cause
Yeah, you just do.
I'm happy just leaving.
Yeah, that's it, yeah, yeah. Oh dear, I better not put you on my channel then.
Oh my God. What's your channel?
Old food guy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What do you do? You
I
go
do.
around
I do. What I usually do in the house, but I'm starting to do a new playlist,
Oh,
which is
that's a good idea.
snack vans. So I'm gonna. I know it's Wednesday today, but from next week I'm gonna start doing snack van Tuesday. So I'm gonna go around all the different snack vans and maybe get them a bit of business with passing trade and that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, if you like
You know.
them, I mean, you've got to be on it.
Got to be on. Oh, always on it. I've only ever had. I mean, I used to be a wagon driver in my trade.
Oh, right.
Right,
Okay.
so, and I've been to hundreds all over the country.
So you know what you're looking
Yeah, I've only ever had one bad one, and that was a couple of weeks ago.
for. Oh, really?
Yeah,
That
it was.
recent?
Yeah, it was absolutely disgusting. Couldn't eat it.
They shouldn't be allowed.
You know,
They shouldn't be allowed.
there was no please, there was no thank you. It was basically what you want.
Was it blow?
No, it was a woman. I know. Yeah.
Maybe she was hormonal. Give her a second try.
Even the bloke before me turned around. She goes, it looks like she's got a woman with a smacked arse. Like her face, and
Oh,
and it must have been like, well, I just can't be bothered. Do you know what I mean? But so they got a bad review, you know, at the end of the day.
well, do you know what? They can't argue.
Yeah.
If they were like, yeah, I was in a shit mood.
Yeah, that's it.
Or reply
I mean,
to-
everyone has a bad day, don't they? It's not a problem. Brown sauce, please. Everyone has a bad day, but there was 5 of us there, at the I think it was 5 of us, at the place,
Yeah.
and 3 of us moaned. So it's not good, is it? So it's not good.
No.
And the other 2 were after us, so I don't know whether they moaned after. You know? Oh, that looks lovely. Look at that. Oh dear.
There you go.
And a cup of tea, darling, as well, bad please. Oh, that looks nice, guys. That looks very nice.
Are you joking now?
I'm on my camera there. You want to say hello?
No.
No, I'm going to say that. A lot of people don't like to be on the camera. No, a lot of people don't like to be on the camera. That's why I don't.
Cock rabies.
I'll film like it's the cabin, but I don't film the people, if you get what I mean.
People are annoyed. You got no 10p, so you get an extra 10p.
Oh,
Eh?
thank you very much.
But I always give more than less. I hate those, well, I haven't got any 10p's. Oh, give me 20.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
The only thing with me is you got to tell me 100 times what you want.
What you want? That's what me, that is. I've got a brain like a sieve, me.
I think it's age. I think, well, my age.
Yeah.
We'll blame menopause. Men have menopause.
I don't know, but I'm thick. So, I think I was just born it, though.
If you've worked all that out, you're really not sick, mate. You know what you're doing. Did you say sugar?
2 sugars, please, sweetheart.
Talking about thick. Right, you got enough milk before I put the lid on?
A little bit more, please. That's it, perfect. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Lovely, sweetheart.
No problem
Thank you
at
very
all.
much, and you have a good day, yeah?
I'm just going to hide in here.
I'm just gonna show you your menu. There's the menu. Oh, smash! You do smash burgers and all here as well. $4.50 for a smash burger. That's good value.
I don't know if you're talking to me or your bloody camera.
Now I'm talking to my camera. Right then, sweetheart. Thank you very much. Yeah. I'll go and enjoy it. Yeah. Oh, I'll tell you in a minute. Thank you, Bab. That looks absolutely delicious, guys. Right, look at this, guys. Let me show you. It looks absolutely delicious. I didn't even know how much it was, actually. Let me just check on my change. I gave it 10, I didn't know, so have a look. 1, 2, 3. £4. £4.40 back. So, cheap as chips, ain't it, that? So under £6. Under, oops, I think he said that to give me 20p extra or something, was it, or something, I can't remember. It's on the video, but I've under £6, yeah, under £6, guys. Look at that. That looks like a snack van. Oh, right, let's get that back up. Yes, I've been to hundreds of snack vans throughout my time, hundreds on the wagons. So I'm thinking of starting a new playlist. A bit wonky there, isn't it? Sorry if I'm wonky, guys, it's just the way it is. I think of starting a new playlist every Tuesday, Snack Van Tuesday. That's what I'm thinking of doing. Look at that. Oh, let's taste this. That is proper hit the spot. Black pud, egg. Ow. It's boiling up. Ow. Crispy bacon. Oh, I needed that. I absolutely needed that. The cabin. It's on the Stafford Road, on the way to Rugeley from Litchfield. Wow. And the price is there. From what I seen was dirt cheap. Absolutely dirt cheap. Boiling hot, cooked fresh. Could have done with the egg a little bit more on here, but the egg's cooked to perfection how I like it. Bit of crisp around the outside. Cup of tea. I'm sweating. The sun's beating down on me now. It's a nice cup of tea as well. But that last one I went to, that was terrible. And you've got to remember, these snack vans, because there was a few criticising on the last one. My opinion, I thought it was absolutely crap. It's probably the worst snack van food I've ever had. It was terrible. Terrible. And this, even toasted. And she's so friendly as well, chatty. And that's what you expect from a snack van. A bit of a laugh and a joke and a bit of banter. That other one was even that. Wow. Guys, if you are ever passing the cabin, I think it's a Stafford Road, on the way to Rugeley from Litchfield, pop in, get yourself a sandwich. It's absolutely delicious. You won't be disappointed. So what we're going to mark it then? All right, let's mark it. Let's give it a mark. Snack van, friendly staff, or friendly lady, delicious food, good cup of tea. My only criticism is I could have done with the egg a bit more runny. That's all. So I'm going to get, oh, and it's dirt cheap, a 4.5 out of 5. So the cabin, you're getting a 4.5 out of 5. Absolutely superb. So thank you very much, guys. Oh, no smell that. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye bye.